Alright guys, here's my, I guess you can call it a jig, showing Z71 Chevy Colorado custom suspension, my custom suspension with a CST upper, or CST spindle, and my custom mid-travel upper arm that I built. Notice UCA mount, that's the chassis, inner tie rod mount, and lower control arm mount. We have our lower ball joint, 12-degree kingpin angle. In doing this, I actually noticed that I need to have my tie rod mount a little higher, which is a pretty easy fix. I can do that once I get my truck back. And my upper control arm mount, upper ball joint, technically uniball on my arm. Now, I've got a spray can over there to demonstrate absolute center. The arms are not supposed to be parallel. They're supposed to be pointing to a point, which is absolute center. Let me prove that to you. Lower arm points to the can. Tie rod mount points to the can, pretty much. Upper control arm points to the can. All three of these are pointing to what we're calling the absolute center. See? I made a couple marks here. See if it'll focus. And as I move this, those marks don't move a whole lot throughout the whole travel. I'll show you. So that's just proving my point that it's absolute center, which is important, and not parallel. You'll also note I've drawn lines here from axis to axis, here to here as well. You'll note this angle here. I'm going to tape measure and prove this. This distance is, at the moment, approximately 1 3/8. This distance here, approximately 1 1/8. Should be, actually there it is, almost 1 3/8. So, pretty damn close for guessing. When I did this, almost a year ago now. So, hope that helps demonstrate what I'm talking about. Also here, this being effectively ride height, 0-degree camber. This board is square. Everything else is square. That's how I set it up. I know I've got a pretty serious crank right now. That's 4, just about 4 to the, yeah, we'll call it 4. And I'm about a 1/2 inch there, so I guess in all technicality I'm about a 3 to 3.5 inch crank currently on my truck. So hope that makes some sense, guys, and feel free to ask any questions.